From 400 BC to 200 BC, rulers of strong states fought each other and ignored the weaker Zhao kings. One of these states was called Qin. In 221 BC, the ruler of Qin sent a large cavalry force to defeat the other states and end the Zhao dynasty. The Qin then had control of China from Huanghe to the Changjiang. To symbolize the new beginning for China, the Qin ruler declared himself Qin Shi Huangdi, which means the first Qin emperor.
Qin wanted to strengthen and unify China, and Qin had the power to appoint governors. Qin ruled China with a swift and hard punishment. Anyone who disagreed with him were punished or killed. Writing that displeased him were burned. He also made a government more powerful by appointing censors. They made sure that government workers did their work. He also created a currency that everyone had to use. Qin's tomb was so large it housed an army of life-sized clay soldiers.
Great Wall. Qin wanted to unite the different parts of China and keep it safe from invasion from the Gobi Desert on the northern border of China. One of the groups of people that threatened to attack the Qin Empire were the Xiongnu. They were good warriors who fought on horseback and often attacked Chinese settlements.
The end! The Qin dynasty came to an end soon after he died in 210 BC. No one liked Qin and everyone revolted. Fighting erupted through China, and by 206 BC, the Qin dynasty was over.
Hey Alex, don't hit your head on that.
From about 400 BC to 200 BC, rulers of strong states fought each other and ignored the weaker Zhao kings. One of these states was called Qin to the Changjiang. To symbolize
Qin wanted to Qin wanted to strengthen and unify China. Only Qin had the power to appoint governors. Qin ruled China with a swift What? Oh my god. Gotta evolve. Fidget spinner. Go.
I'm not ready.
Whee!
Nature.
The end.
Nature.
The Qin
ruler of a Qin. Stop it. I said, The Qin ruler declared himself.
Nature. My group took off.